Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to create Facebook Reels. Facebook Reels are short videos that you can use to share entertaining, educational, or creative content with your audience. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. From the Facebook home screen, look for the Reels section or tap the Create button. Depending on your Facebook app version, you may see an option called Reel. Tap Reel to start creating your video. You can now record a new video using your phone's camera. Press and hold the record button to start recording. You can record several short clips and combine them into one reel. If you already have a video on your phone, you can also select it from your gallery or photos. Tap the gallery icon and choose the video or videos you want to use. After selecting your video, Facebook will open the editing screen. Here, you can trim your video and adjust which part you want to include in your reel. You can also add music, text, stickers, or other effects. To add music, tap the music or audio option. Search for a song or choose from the available audio options. You can then adjust the audio to match your video. Next, you can add text to your reel. Tap the text option and type your message. You can change the text style, size, and position. Try to keep your text easy to read and place it where it does not cover important parts of the video. You can also add stickers or effects to make your reel more interesting. Once you are finished editing, tap Next. Facebook will show you the final settings for your reel. Add a short description that tells viewers what your video is about. You can also add hashtags if they are relevant to your content. Before publishing, check the audience settings and choose who can see your reel. For example, you can choose public if you want your reel to be available to a wider audience. When everything looks good, tap Share Reel. Facebook will upload your video and publish it to your profile. The upload time will depend on your internet connection and the size of your video. Once the reel is published, you can find it on your profile under the Reels section. And that's it. You now know how to create and publish a Facebook Reel using your phone. Happy watching, and don't forget to subscribe.